Hello, today is April 12th, the weekend, and we are just coming off a nasty week in the stock market. I did a few videos on Apple and I just want to continue to see where we are after a few days. So this is the daily chart that is well below 200-day moving average. Look at three things that happen. Although it is well within the range, this is a market profile monkey bars. There is a nice buying tail here, and there's a small buying tail here, and a third buying tail here. If you notice it, the value area has moved up, and the point of control also has moved up. Just recall that a buying tail is a footprint left by traders who think that higher prices are ahead and every dip will be bought. If you notice it, the buying tail is a nice little support that is hidden in plain view. Then there's a huge gap. I am guessing it is going for this gap fill, but again, this does not mean that the long-term trend has retained. To get the long-term trend, you need to break 221 and it should be about 200-day moving average, and this death cross has to be changed. So basically the 50 has to go about 200 and the stock price has to be go about 200. So we are talking about 221. Nevertheless, I think the stock is heading towards the gap fill. This is a weekly chart and no sugarcoating, it is just going down. For the next, to have this downside trend broken, it has to have a higher than the last week high, which is 225.6. So if it closes about 225.6 by end of next week, then we can confidently say, or at least we can think that the downside is over for good. Trading is a difficult pursuit. If someone tells you or makes you feel that making money in the stock market is easy, be cautious. It is a skill, and like any valuable skill, trading must be learned, practiced, and refined over time. That's exactly why I created this web-based training program. You can learn at your own pace, and I have packed it with every tool and strategy I have personally used. When to use, how to apply, and when they work, etc. Check out the link below. I know how difficult it is to be unguided in the stock market. It is frustrating and you learn with expensive losses. Take a look, and if it is not right for you, there is a full money back guarantee. Try the coupon code YouTube that drops price to less than $100. I trust and I promise it will be a useful tool. Thank you.